What's up guys, and welcome to the video today. Today, like the title says, I'm finally doing the mid-muffler delete. Just got out of work. I'm at the bank right now, had to go pick up some cash to get the thing done. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I'm like so excited, I'm like nervous, I don't even know why. Yeah, I've never been to this shop before. All the reviews say that they're pretty good, so let's go with that. And they had the best price and they do a lot of performance vehicles. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's go.
It's alright.
What we're doing on a lot of these cars are these mid-muff deletes. Remove these guys, put in the pipe, weld it all up, now I'll get you done.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
Thanks.
Watch your head again.
Yep.
Sorry about that. I'm a little shorter than I can get out to, so it's
Guys, oh, a Lamborghini. Well, that was random. Just a random Lamborghini. Wow, there's like a lot of... What's going on? I don't know why there's so many cars out right now. Anyways, long story short, wow. I didn't film too much while I was in there because there was just a crap ton of stuff going on. I didn't really want to film. Yeah, I just didn't really want to film inside of that shop. But my God, this thing sounds... Wow. The windows are up. I don't know if you guys can even hear this. The windows are up, but my God, this sounds so different now. Whoa! Let me I don't want to even get on it because I'm kind of low on gas right now. But are you? I didn't think that you would be able to tell a difference, but my God, you can tell a difference. What's going on up there? As I just passed the cop. We're good. I mean, it's not bad when you're just like cruising. It doesn't sound that much louder. Oh my God. All right, I'll pick up with this after this because, geez, this is insane. All right, we're at my parents' house. Okay, I had to just like stop for a second because, my God, wow. There's a noticeable difference. At first, I was really concerned that you wouldn't be able to tell because I had the active exhaust and I was like, oh, well, maybe with the active exhaust, it's already like opening up the valves inside the rear muffler. Like it wouldn't be that much louder. I was completely wrong. This is a lot louder and it sounds really good. Some people don't like the way it sounds. I don't know how it's going to sound after like, I don't know, let's say a couple months, but for right now, my first initial thoughts were like, wow, this sounds great. I want to show you guys, I kept these are cool now. I kept my stock ones, and yeah, wow, you can see like right inside these things. This is some pretty good. Actually, if you can like look straight through this. Yeah, I figured I would just keep these bad boys just in case if I need it to go back to stock. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, wow, it really woke up the car. I am so much in love with this thing right now. It is insane of how loud this thing is now. Does my car sound different?
It sounds loud.
Does it?
But it always sounds loud. Why? What'd you do?
Nothing. All right, what's up, guys? So this is technically like 2 days later, I think. The Jeep is gone at the shop right now, and it's going to be a cold start early this morning. And I want to show you guys the difference in the cold start. It is definitely a lot louder inside the Challenger now. I'm not sure how well it's going to pick up on camera, but I want you guys to hear it. So here it goes. I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like on camera. Hopefully this doesn't like blow out the camera with the sound. As you can hear, there's definitely a difference. Even when I close the door, you can probably hear it a lot more. When I open up the door, it's quieting down now. The idle is still much louder than what it was, but definitely like that first cold start is really loud. Yeah, I don't even know what's gonna happen when it's gonna be winter time. When I start this thing up, my neighbors are gonna hate me. But yeah, I'll give you guys some more of my impressions a little bit later, but I wanted to like show you guys what a cold start sounds like. Alright guys, so it looks like I'm going to end the video here, but I want to give you guys my impressions on what it's been like over the past couple of days. So I got it done Friday, today's Sunday, so I've driven around for 2 days now, and I give you my quick impressions. And first and foremost, I will say it's definitely louder. I think it's definitely worth it. Even with the active exhaust, it sounds a lot better. Yesterday when I was following actually behind my car in the Jeep, and when we were dropping the Jeep off at the shop and my fiance was driving, it sounded amazing when I was just behind her. And then the good thing is though, it's loud when you want it to be, like off a takeoff. If you're, if you get on it semi hard, it sounds great. But if you kind of baby off of the line, if you keep the RPMs down to like under 2,000, it's not that bad. It's really not that much louder. I mean, it is still going to be louder no matter what, but it's not like it's obnoxious. The other nice thing is though, on the highway, like I just showed you inside this clip, hopefully, there's not much of a difference at all. I'm cruising at like 2,000, like even under 2,000 RPMs at 65. Not that much of a difference, especially with the windows up. I mean, I didn't really notice a difference. I'm sure that there probably is a difference as far as drone, but I couldn't really tell anything. So that's good. So I wouldn't, I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. The other thing is though, I haven't noticed any loss in performance, which I noticed some people were saying. I know there's some controversy. I was looking on like different forums. I know on Challenger Talk, some people think that when you do the mid-muffler delete, that you're going to lose some low-end torque, like around town. Something with I don't know. It doesn't. I'm not fully sure on it. Some people say like Hemis, they like to have some back pressure, but I'm not sure if that would make much sense. I think it might though, because if you might need a tune. I don't know, but I haven't noticed anything, at least like just around town. I am gonna do a separate video doing 0 to 60 runs just with like stock. I don't have anything done. I don't have a tune. I don't have a swapped out PCM or anything like that. I just have basically just a mid-muffler delete. That's pretty much the only like performance mod that I've done to this car. I'm going to do a separate video. I want to see if there's any difference at all. There probably isn't going to be, because I think at wide open throttle there's not going to be much of a difference, but yeah, we will see with that. But overall though, I would highly suggest doing this. It sounds great. It really makes this car like wake up and just like, I don't know, to me it sounds so much better, and it really is nice. So if you're thinking about doing it, definitely do it, and I think you'll be happy with your decision. But yeah, so like that, I'm ending the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as the YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, and hopefully in the next video we will have an update on the Jeep and tell you guys everything that's going on with that, and hopefully that's all fixed up. But yeah, we'll see. All right, I'm out of here.